Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to warm up food. So I'm in this video I'm gonna eat chili con carne, my favorite food, and with rice. I mix it with rice. So I've already put rice in the pan, and I'm putting the sauce on the rice now. Then I'll show you what I'll do after. Okay, so I've put the chili on. I've put the food on the pan. And now I have to move it because otherwise it might fall off. And now I've just got to warm it up. Put the thing on. Yeah. Okay, so it's on, and now I just got to wait. I think I'm not. I probably have to mix it again. So I might just do this. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to do that or not. I'm not a cook. I'm a 5-star cook, obviously. Shit, I just realized something. Okay, this I didn't want to record in this view, but I prefer it if it's rectangular, not like phone, whatever. It's gonna be shit video. So you just gotta do this for a while, I think. This is also all for me, by the way. I like chili a lot. I'm not very hungry, but I'm still eating this all. So yeah. I'm just gonna. So basically, I think you just gotta wait a bit until it's all warm, and then you are pretty much ready to eat. It's pretty easy, I think. I think. Like, watch me burn this all down. So I've done a bit of mixing now, and I'm still waiting until it gets hot, or at least a bit warmer. I haven't. You can probably try eat it or something, but I'll just wait a bit. So yeah. Basically, just mix it probably, and then it's pretty easy to go. Okay, I just changed the thing because it's not warming up very fast, so yeah, wish me luck. Okay, now it's ready. So I'm gonna turn it off. Oh wait. Oh, it's steaming a lot now. I hope it didn't burn it. Okay. So you got to move it. But I had a fork in my mouth. I hope you could still understand. Shit. um, I'm just gonna get. A plate. And now you gotta put this on the plate. Gonna look like this. So I've just put this on. I'm gonna taste it. It's very good, very good. 5 stars. Like a French person would say croissant. It's very good. So yeah, enjoy your meal and see you.